Welcome back. No long introductions today. We're going to jump right into this DIY, and this is going to be a do-it-yourself turmeric face mask. This face mask is known for helping with hyperpigmentation as well as brightening and evening out your skin tone. So the main ingredients that we'll be using today, of course, is turmeric. And I went ahead and used 3 tablespoons of turmeric powder. Then I go right in after that and in no particular order, use 1 teaspoon of honey. We're going to go right in with a teaspoon of olive oil. And then I'm using squeezing a half of a lemon. And that is it. And then it's time to mix it up.
Look at the sky. It's the color of love.
Okay. I don't have anything to like a brush to brush it on, so I'm just gonna use my hands because my hands work just as good as a brush, I think. So let's go ahead and see how this goes.
Look at the sky. It's the color of love.
It is a little lumpy because some of the lemon particles were falling into the bowl, so I would have imagined it to be a little bit thicker, but yeah. Okay, so you're supposed to let this sit for a half an hour, and I'm gonna take it off and come back and see if I notice any difference in my skin tone color.
Look at the sky.
My face is orange, yellow, like I look crazy as hell. So let me try to scrub my face. Stains so bad, like I don't know if I can go through this process, but we're gonna see if I can do this for a couple of weeks. So my brush is probably ruined. I have to do some research to figure out how to get this thing off because it looks like it's dyed. I don't know what to do, and I'm upset about that. But I feel like I've gotten it all off of my face, and we're gonna see. I'm gonna keep trying it. I mean, it stains really bad. That's the part that I do not like. But I'm gonna go ahead and put on my daily moisturizer by Fresh. It's a vitamin nectar moisture glow face cream. Don't really have any left because I use it every single day. And it just puts a little bit of moisture back into my face, any of the dry spots. My face, I don't know what it feels like. It feels, I guess, the same. I don't know. I feel like I might look a little more even. I don't know. It probably didn't do nothing. It was just the first time me using it. So I'm going to try this out for a while before I post this, so you guys can actually have a good review on this DIY turmeric mask. So week 2, and I actually had to change up the ingredients because I forgot something, and it was yogurt. So I forgot to add yogurt into my mixture week 1. So in week 2, I include all of the same ingredients that I had in the first week, but I just added plain yogurt. And I must say that adding this yogurt to the mixture really helped with the consistency, and the mixture was perfect. I didn't have any of the dripping or the runniness that I had the first time that I made it. So, and y'all, I got me a brush to brush this stuff on because I complained so much the first time about how it was staining my hands and it was everywhere. So my brush was awesome, and that's literally just a makeup brush that I got from the Dollar Tree for $1, and I felt so good. Look at me, I didn't have nothing on my hands. I was too excited. Week 3, here we go. I'm used to this routine now, and I actually did not make any more tweaks to the mixture. It was exactly how it should be. So I want to kind of show you guys a close-up of what my skin is looking like on week 3. And time to apply. And it's so cold when you put it on your face. That's why I'm making all these crazy faces. But it is what it is. Now, at this point, I'm really noticing the fact that I have not been breaking out like I normally do. So every time, a week or so, right around my menstrual cycle, I break out on my face in the exact same spot every single month. And at this point, I've realized that I don't have those bumps that I normally have. So I'm thinking that it has something to do with the mask, but I'm not 100% sure. But either way, I'm excited and I'm happy about it. And here we are, week 4. Let's get it. I want to just show you guys what my skin is looking like before I apply the turmeric mask, face mask. So you kind of get a close-up as to what it looks like. And time to apply. It's cold, I know. As always. You would think I would be used to it by now, but nope. And so I will be showing you all a side by side after I take this mask off to show you what it looked like from the first week into week 4. Let me know what kind of mask treatments do you guys use for your face. This is kind of new for me to try out some DIY masks. But I feel like this has been a pretty easy one to make. Yeah, let me know what you guys use. And here we go, my before and then my after. And I definitely noticed a difference. And the blemishes on my face have lightened up. And I'm like super excited. I just feel like I kind of I don't know. Y'all let me know. What do you think? Do you think it actually worked? But I feel like my skin is glowing. And honestly, I would definitely recommend anybody to try this DIY mask out. I feel like the results were pretty darn good. So if you guys enjoy these type of videos from me, please go ahead and like them and share them. Subscribe to the channel, and I will see you all in the next one.
Look at the sky. It's the color